Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you my income earnings on the Udemy platform from my courses, and that is from September of 2020. I'd like to get these income reports out a little sooner. Yes, it's approaching the end of October, and I'm just getting my September report out, but I'm going to try to get these out in the first week of the month going forward. Those of you that are interested in my Udemy earnings and, kind of like the path that I'm going on. Now, I haven't published any new courses in a long time on Udemy, and my strategy for having free courses posted, I currently do not have any free courses on the Udemy platform, and that's played a big part in my success on Udemy. And so I am looking at, in 2021, really ramping this Udemy account up, and I want to get this to $1,000 a month. I know it's possible, because I'm not doing anything to my account and I'm making pretty good money. And this is passive every month. I haven't published a new course in a while. And you can even see, I'm going to show you that almost all my courses make money every month. I currently have 8 courses on the platform right now. And so let's dive in. So without further ado, my September 2020 earnings on the Udemy platform was $348.91. Now, what you will see on this page is that I think is pretty cool is if you look at your promotion activity, you can see that it is $135.52. So literally, over a third of what I made on the platform in September was from my own promotional efforts. And so when we scroll down here, I had different coupon codes. You can see right here, I had 4 coupon codes. And when you look over here, the biggest piece of the pie, your promotions accounted for the largest amount that I made. So, I think that's a positive thing, and also kind of there's a downside to that as well. So the positive and everybody's going to be asking, well, how did you do it? I know that you guys are out there that are interested in making money on Udemy. How am I able to make the most money and even more than Udemy Organic, right? Udemy Organic is sharing about 50% of the earnings with me. So if I sell a $10, if the course sells at $10, I make 5 on that. Or if it sells for 15, I make like $7.50, right? And then ad program and affiliate program, you actually get 25% of the commission, for selling your course. But your promotion, you get to keep like 97% of it. So if you sell it for $12.99, you actually make, over $12 on that. So, naturally, you do want to have your own promotions and make as many of your promotion sales as you can. So that's a good thing. The downside to this is that it's telling me that Udemy's really not doing a really great job at selling my course for me. Because Udemy is just getting more and more competitive, more people are coming onto the platform and becoming instructors and putting out course after course after course. It really is tightening up things. That's one factor. There's a lot of factors, right? You also have to do your niche research, and you go into different niches, and your keywords and all that stuff matters on how you're calling your course. And if you don't get that right, then you're not going to be driving, traffic to your landing page and then making sales. And then it goes from there. Your landing page has to, I'm going to show you where one of my courses failing miserably at the landing page. And we're going to kind of review that, and then I'm going to try to do something to revive that course. So $348, a third of it, and my highest amount that I made was on your promotions. I think that's it's a success. And I will just to answer, if you have any questions about that, drop them in the comments section, please. But just to answer what the probably obvious question is how did I do that? Well, the short answer is just through email, Udemy's email platform. I sent out 2 promotions and I made $135, as simple as that. So, there's no other magic behind it, magic juice. I don't drop any Udemy course links in any of my YouTube channels. I don't drive traffic any other way. It's literally just from the Udemy built-in platform that they encourage you to send 2 promotional emails where you can drop coupons to your students 2 times a month, and it produced that. So just do the math, right? So if I have, we're going to come over here and look. I have 23,000 enrollments. And when I go into, let's see, where is it? Where it shows me the amount of students. So the amount of students is 19,000, right? So the reason why there's a difference between the students on this page, total students, and my students, where you just saw it at the 12,000 mark, right here, I believe, yeah, 23,000. There's about a 4,000 difference is because I have 4,000 students that have enrolled in more than one of my courses, which is pretty awesome. And so this is a total enrollment. So the other one is looking at students. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, just so you can look down here, you can see that I have 8 courses published, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 making money, and then another one. So 7 of the 8 made me money in September. Really, really cool. And then you can also see down here redemptions. So there were and refunds. There was no refunds. So that's always a good thing on your account as well, right? So let's move on to some other statistics. Still holding a good instructor rating. I'd like that to never go under 4.4. So, I'm really going to have to, the account is, a few years old, 2 or 3 years old, and I've been able to manage to keep that. I'm proud of that, but I would like to, it's getting dangerously low to the 4.4, where I would like to keep it above 4.4, because I think that separates me from a lot of instructors. I think a lot of instructors have 4.3 or lower, and I want to stay above that. So, when we look at students, again, 19,000, and that has not increased very highly. And then when you look in here and you see the amount of reviews, there's 10 on this first page. And you can see that this was I'm on the, let's go back to the first page real quick. First page. So you can see that I got 10 on that page from 17 days ago. And then, we go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So about 17 new reviews, and that's low for me. When I have free courses posted, I'm driving a ton of traffic. I'm going to show you this in the next metric, what's going on with the account. But, I'm used to 50 plus reviews per month. So that's really low, but I'm expecting that because I have no free courses up. Course engagement. And you can see here, since September, right? So I'm at 8,397 minutes taught, 163 students. If you look at that, that's the lowest I've gone since then was January. So this is the lowest. September was the lowest amount of student engagement and student enrollments that I've had since January. You can see in February, I really ramped up and I had a really good September, in summer. And there was probably a lot of stuff going on, even with COVID. There was more people signing up for classes and things like that. But I also know that this has gone down because I don't have any free courses up. And so when you have free courses up and they're in a good niche, you're going to drive a lot of traffic. You're going to get a lot of enrollments and you're going to get reviews and make sure it's a really good course because people will give you good reviews. You're going to get some of those, stragglers and some of those, people that just leave a negative, review that didn't even, watch any of your videos. But it's just part of the game. It's just, there's no way around it. I've even tried to dispute a couple with Udemy and there's just nothing that they can do, about it. So it's just one of those things you have to, you just accept and move on. But overall, you will, if you have a good course, then, people will, generally give you good reviews. And so when I start doing a free, ramping up and putting more courses on the account, then you'll see that these will go sky high again. And I will show you that on the channel. And then last but not least, let's look at the traffic and conversion. And so you have my 8 courses here, and look at all the conversion rates, all the traffic that's coming in. That's a ton of traffic, which is exciting. It's great, right? And then look at look at all these conversion rates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of my 8 courses have over 50% conversion of people that land on the landing page. So that means I have a really good landing page, a good description, and I have good promotional videos. And I have good topics and everything. So that's really great. I'm thrilled to see that. But here's I can accept 30% or higher. I might not do much with this because this course is not really selling. But when you come down here, was my top selling course on my account, and it made me a lot of money. And it's fallen to a conversion rate of under 10%, just at 9.36%. So what I'm thinking, and it's getting still a lot of traffic. So something's wrong here because it's still ranked in the top, 5 for its keywords. Something's wrong here. I'm suspecting I know what it is. So Udemy just came out with an email to instructors, like yesterday or so, about updating your courses, getting ready for Black Friday. There's going to be a ton of people shopping for courses. And if you have old, outdated courses that you haven't updated or refreshed in a while, then that's going to affect your conversion rates. It's going to affect your, the amount of people, the sales you're going to get. This course right here used to be a $200, $300 course by itself per month. And it's not even reaching $100 a month. So I can revive this. Most of the information, about probably 80% of the information, is still good today. But I do need to probably go in and update some fresh content, throw in some new lectures, and then also probably hit it with a new promotional video. Because something's not kicking. I need to hit those 2 things and see if I can get this conversion rate up, right? Because the traffic's there. That's my 3rd highest trafficked website, and I'm landing page or course, and I'm not getting the conversion rate or the sales. So anyway, there you have it. Back over here, $348 in September. That was probably my longest income report on Udemy that I've ever created. But we really did a deep dive into my account, and I hope that you enjoyed this. If you're new to watching my videos, I drop stuff like this, videos like this all the time. I make money in several different ways. This channel is unique because I'm not just uploading one type of content. I'm uploading several different types of content because I make money several different ways. I don't have all my eggs in one basket, and that's the way I like it. So if you would, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my October's report, which I will be creating next week. So until next time, take care. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, which are packed with value. Also, click the video link in the top right, which will take you to my secret methods of making money with PLR products. No one teaches this. See you next time.